Hey guys, Scooter Man here. Got a new microphone for my videos. I want to see if I can cut down on the wind noise that I get in my audio. So we're going to try this as a test and see how things go. I can take the audio file and match it with the video file from the camera and come up with a new video for YouTube. And I'm hoping what's going to happen is you're not going to hear the wind in the video. So, one thing I want you guys to do, and that's go over to Randy's Rides. The website, or the YouTube channel, his YouTube channel is Randy's Rides, and he's got a ton load of videos up there on his channel, and I'm telling you, this guy is amazing. Some of the stuff that he's done in terms of putting videos together is great, and he's got over 300 subscribers, and I think it would be cool for you to go over to his site and watch his videos, like them, and subscribe to them. I'm going to be... Okay, we have a truck, bus that's flashing his signals. So we have to wait for this guy now. The other thing I wanted to mention to you was the Think Green scooters over on Garrison Road in Fort Erie. Just building a new website for their online presence, and that's going to be at thinkgreenscooter.ca. Looking forward to getting that up and going and start updating the website on a regular basis. The address for Think Green Scooters is 695 Garrison Road in Fort Erie, right across from Walmart and Scotiabank. Charlie and Barb are the owners, and they would be more than happy to sell you a scooter. Temperature outside today is, I think, around -9. And with the wind chill, of course, again, much colder. Big storm coming up this weekend. If you're listening, Randy, it's on Saturday. The Niagara region is going to get hammered, apparently, according to the forecast. We're going to be getting about 10 inches of snow here. So, I'll have some snow video. Now, it's funny. People see the camera on top of my helmet and drivers, and they're a whole lot more courteous to my driving, or to my being on the scooter. I'm going to head right this time. I'm heading towards Ridgeway. I'm I'm not going to Ridgeway. This is Dominion Road. It's, as I mentioned the other day, about 15 kilometers from Fort Erie to Ridgeway. It's a nice brand new road. Just built it this summer. They patched over a few things. I got some construction signs up. They're working on it again. Can't wait for summer. The amount of work you got to go through to get ready for winter. I'm actually going to put a video up to show you at some point what it takes for me to get dressed up to go outside on the scooter. Actually quite involved. But then at least I'm warm and I'm windproof. So that's the most important part of it. But in the summertime, you all know what it's like. You put your helmet on, hop on your scooter, and away you go. If you did that in the wintertime, you'd freeze in the first 2 minutes. You have to be dressed warm for this riding. I bought a brand new Windows tablet because I want to get away from using Android for these videos if I can. I find it a lot easier to work with a Windows-based system than with an Android system. And I can put the SD card directly into the Windows tablet, and it reads it right away. Don't worry about having to download or upload or whatever, which takes a lot of time. But at the same time, I'm going to have to come up with a new editing software because the one I'm using now is only good for Android. So I'm going to switch over to a new editing software, and we'll see what it looks like on my upcoming videos.